Hi, I'm Jeremy. We're here at the Glendale Reno project. I'm here with Bill Wood, the lead carpenter. We'd like to show you around. Some of the finishes are starting to go in. We're in the lower level now where some of the, all the interior trim is complete. The painters have been coming through and painting it. And we got some lighting installed, which is awesome. Always a nice benchmark, and we get to install some lighting, and heat's really nice too. But the tile guy's been coming along. This is the guest bathroom here. So we got some cool wood plank tub surround. We have glass doors being measured next week. And Brian Finer Tile and Masonry is working in the lower level bath now. Putting in the tile in that shower surround. Here we have Brian Finer Tiles. Say hi, Brian.
How's it going?
Good. He's got that nice wood plank tile going in vertical orientation in that shower. Why don't you show him around the rest of the lower level, Bill?
Yeah, so come this way. The game room, finished off all this trim. It's all second coated paint right now. Jim does a great job of painting, nice and sharp lines. We've got office number 1. We got first coat of paint in here on the walls. Trim, we got 2 coats. We got all of these doors lined up and ready to go for spray. They've all been sanded and prepped, and they're ready for spray.
And office number 2. Hey, this trim work's been 2 coated. Nice, looking really sharp. Office number 2, we added this window. That's new. Beautiful view out to the lake. It's looking a little frigid out there today.
It is.
And we'll take you upstairs.
Move on.
Now we're coming into the master. We're kind of working on planning on finishing the lower level first, working our way out of the master and through the common areas and whatnot. So the drywall work is complete in the master now, and tile guy's coming up here next, and then we'll get painting going. So you can see, ceilings are finished. We got some lights in. We got this really cool radius wall here. It's kind of an idea. We bumped this wall out like 19 inches to make room for the fireplace on the other side of the wall. That's the living room. So we wanted to recess the fireplace flush with the wall in the living room. We had the space to spare in the master, and we wanted to pick up the space in the living room. So we pushed it in, and we radiused the end of that wall for a cool feature. In here we have the master bathroom. This is gonna have a really cool chandelier hanging. Right now there's just a temporary light, but that's gonna have a really a fun chandelier hanging for this room. And we got the tile shower ready to go here. This bench does not belong on the wall. It's a fun feature, but it actually goes down. It'll go down right there. So I'll have a bench on this side, glass enclosure, big niche on the back wall. It'll be bigger than that. We cut that out after tile layout because we want everything to line up just right. Nice soaking tub in front of the windows, freestanding soaking tub, and a separate water closet area. And cool feature in here, Bill, why don't you tell them about that?
So we wanted to get some light in here, so we actually have an automatic light that comes on. When you open the door, there's a switch in the jamb here, and there'll be a light up top in the linen closet. So it eliminates having to have another switch on the wall somewhere. So we got our tile here on the left. That's going to be going horizontal in the shower area. And then you have the pieces on the right are curb and bench pieces.
So we like all the horizontal surfaces in the showers to be solid stone because it's a lot easier to clean, and all the tile will marry into it. So the top of the bench is a solid piece of stone, the top of the knee wall, the bottom of the niche, the top of the curb, all those pieces we order coordinating stone so that they're easier to clean, they slope water properly, cleaner to attach the glass to. So that's what all those stone pieces are. We also have a corner shelf and then a small foothold in the bottom corner, lower. It's about 12 inches up from the floor, so women can, you know, put their leg on it as they need for a shave shelf. What else do you want to see? Fireplace?
So we got a fireplace here. It's all prepped and ready to go for stone surrounds and a wood mantle place. We got an oak mantle. It's gonna be about 8 feet across.
It's a nice linear fireplace that'll look really modern and cool. So we have a nice oak mantle going right about here, and then we built this niche for the TV. So the TV can get recessed in that niche. It'll be flush with the wall. Here in the living room, the ceiling's got all the spray foam. We're gonna be putting the oak flooring on the ceiling. We started with a whitewash V-groove and we just weren't getting the colors right, so we decided to use the same oak flooring on the vaulted ceiling here. So we're up here on the second floor. There's 2 bedrooms up here, 2 girls' bedrooms, and then there's this really cool, you know, traditionally called the Jack and Jill bathroom, where it's accessible only through each bedroom. So this has the pocket door, and this pocket door has soft close feature, so it'll be soft close, soft open. There's hydraulic pistons up in the track, which will be pretty neat. So this is 1 bedroom, and then we have the bathroom. Shower is prepped and ready for tile. So this shower will also have a corner shelf and a small foothold in the bottom. This tile will also be horizontal orientation. Bedroom number 2. We added this window. This is an egress window because this is actually where the bathroom used to be. So there was a small window over here. We moved it and put this is a legal egress. It's the right size in case somebody needs to get out in the event of a fire. That's what the egress window is. So another pocket door into this bedroom. Originally, our plans were to actually carry this bedroom out to, when you get out to the top of the stair landing here, you'll see there's a little bit of space, and originally our wall was going to be out in line with that corner, and at one of our weekly meetings, kind of like, how cool would it be to stand here and look out all these windows? So the way for us to accomplish that was to have a pocket door here to make room to pull this wall in. So when you come out here, you'll see why they wanted to capture this space out here. And as you stand here, you look out through all these beautiful windows of that wall that we rebuilt, reconfigured, and put all those large windows in.
All right, so out here we're pretty much wrapping this up. Got the deck down, screwed down and plugged down. We've got the 6-inch edge and center fir on the ceiling. Got the Boral trim with our fir posts. We're getting some brackets put up now, decorative brackets. Put 1 on either side and 2 on the outside corner. And we've got the rim board here with the TIVA rim board. Gives it a nice clean look.
We have some black LED recessed lights being cut into the ceiling of this other porch, so it looks sharp.
Thanks for coming, watching. Thanks, Jeremy, for visiting us today. I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, thanks for following along.
And cut. I did shave last night. Okay, I have a...
Here. Hi, I'm Jeremy, back here at the Glendale Reno project. I'm here with Bill, the lead carpenter. You've seen some of him. Okay. We don't need to shake hands. This is a pleasure.
I'm like, oh, okay.
I was pointing to you.
Give you a hug.
Really, yeah. Nice to see you, Bill. Okay.